Different.
Today on Good Ohio Eats, we are in Austintown. First, I show this. This is obviously an Old Red Barn restaurant, which is a Japanese restaurant. That might have closed, but definitely you can tell it's an Old Red Barn. The shape of that building and everything. So definitely cool to see. Can't mistake that barn shape. And but we're here to try a little Puerto Rican place called Anna's Cooking. All right, it's definitely something interesting to try. See what I got. Yeah, their most popular item, which is their honey chicken. With some Spanish rice. Steaming hot. And complimentary with every meal, they said that comes with potato salad and macaroni salad. So they gave me some macaroni salad, which should be interesting. I'm generally not a macaroni and potato salad fan, but can't complain when it's free, so nice of them they gave me that. And this next thing I'm really interested in trying is called Puerto Rican potato ball. This one's stuffed with cheese. You can see that she told me they overstuffed a little bit. It's oozing now. They give you some sour cream and some sauce with it, so that looks pretty good. But one more rice. It tastes the olives. I got a little bit of honey sauce in the corner here. What's that? That tastes pretty good. I just have to use my hands. It's hard to cut with this plastic silverware. A little crispy on the outside. But not dry at all. Yeah, it's kind of similar to trying to use like teriyaki chicken. Actually, better because I've been a big fan of teriyaki. Got big olive here. Yeah, I like olive oil, but I don't like olives. I don't know why, but I'm Italian too, so I don't know why. But I'm kind of better. Yeah, only thing that's best, mixing chicken in with the rice. They have some white rice and beans. You don't want the Spanish rice, the olive and stuff, but I want to get authentic stuff, so. Now let's try some macaroni salad. Yeah, I'm not normally a macaroni salad, potato salad fan. So this is gonna be interesting. Tastes alright. We'll taste cheesy. Let's say macaroni and cheese a little bit. So what's the salad taste? I think I see a little bit of a piece of an egg. That's probably what I'm tasting in there. There's eggs in here. That's all I made though. I saw a real chunk of hard-boiled egg in here. Pretty good. That's nice. They gave it to me. Comes with a meal. I didn't even know. Back to more chicken. Tasting the honey. Taste more of the sauce when I get down here more. I'm getting a little bit of spice. The sauce. really looking forward to. Now they have empanadas, which I've never been a fan of. I like sweet empanadas, never like savory ones that much. So they also have plantains, another Puerto Rican thing. And it's another thing I always found them kind of bitter. So I just tried something else that they have here. Deep fried potato ball. This one's with cheese. They also have a bunch of chicken and beef. Good cheese. So much that it leaked out. It's almost like a donut, but it's potato. And another thing I do love, they give you some sour cream with it, and I love sour cream, so this is pretty good. It's delicious. These mashed potatoes in here. Mashed potatoes deep fried with cheese, and dark and good. Potatoes and cheese, so definitely a good combination here. It was so soft. And the donut almost reminded me of it's like a punchki, but with potato. Definitely something unique. Definitely interesting. Now, I'm assuming this is hot sauce. I don't know. Yeah. Whew. Yeah, no, that might be a little too hot, spicy for me. Let's try a little bit of it. Yeah, I don't know if it's like Tabasco sauce or something. Generally not a huge fan of hot stuff, but try a little mixture with the sour cream. Alright. It's like buffalo sauce. It's delicious. Potato ball went down easy. Now let's go back to the more chicken. Got this extra hot sauce here. Oof. Might throw some in. I'll just throw it in the rice. Definitely give you a decent amount of food. It's like picking beans and chicken like this. I always like honey and chicken go well together too. I do have a small dining area there, but the majority of people can take out. I get bits and pieces of the honey. Honey sauce is good. It's like in the bottom of the container. They kind of change their menu every day. They post it on their Facebook page. Like this honey chicken they have all the time, and some of the other dishes they have all the time. But they change a few of the things. I think I heard him say like one of the days they always have chicken wings or something, or they have some American things too. So like meatloaf, everything, can do a mushroom burger. Sure, all food's gonna be good if it's all homemade. But look, if you're going to a Puerto Rican restaurant, just try some Puerto Rican food. And it's always good to spin your ride and try new things. So similar to like Mexican food, but it's different though. Hard to describe. I do love Chinese food. That's why this is almost like with the honey. It's almost like a cross in between. There's Chinese honey chicken, which I do like. It's a little similar, but it's not as sweet. You don't have the soy sauce taste or anything. Make my noise from the buffalo sauce. In my opinion, cooking the restaurant, the two most important things are food quality and price. That's why I want to start this show. All the restaurants in Ohio making good homemade food at a reasonable price. Finish up this macaroni salad. This hopefully help cool my mouth off. It almost tastes like a Italian spice in here, something oregano or something. I need to move regular on it. It's nothing for $15, pretty hearty meal. There's something cool in mouth though, which is good. So my overall review of Anna's Cooking here in Austintown is very, very good. Very delicious. Honey chicken is very good. It was a little crispy, not so like teriyaki chicken, but it was tender on the inside, wasn't dry at all. Very, very good. The honey sauce, which I saw her pour on when I was in there, was very good. And I wish I could have maybe a little more of that on there, but and the rice is good. I'm not a big olive fan, so the olives in there I don't really like that much. It's okay, but maybe I should try the white rice and beans, but to get the authentic Puerto Rican taste, you gotta have that. And cheese ball was delicious, something definitely unique, almost like a potato donut filled with cheese. Delicious. Be able to dip it in sour cream. That was very good, very good. And the macaroni salad was outstanding. I thought like that. I'm someone who doesn't even like macaroni salad. I usually can't even eat one bite of it, but this I could eat the whole thing, and it was very good. So I can tell all homemade stuff, and it's all very good. And a place definitely gotta try if you're coming out to Austintown, which is close to Youngstown. And so I'll check you out next time on Good Ohio Eats. Today on Good Ohio Eats, we are in Brunswick. Right by Mapleside Farms. And we're about to try a place called the Doghouse or the Doghouse. They have different names. Alright, here we go. I got Nashville Haitian hot dog. This comes plain. A pigskin, which is hot dogs wrapped in bacon. Yeah, I got small fry. Let's try a fry.
Yeah, I've already signed up for that.
Very good.
What about Botox now? Animals.
I know I like chicken,
So she'll take the.
let's try this. But it almost tastes like a sausage.
What about the ant?
Yeah, almost like a Polish pulley, something like that. It's a snap. Try some more fries. Yeah, vinegar too, so. This is here too. They say they have a special seasoning they put on it. On the fries. A thick cut. Makes it look like a potato wedge. It's a good season.
Yeah, it's like what?
Delicious.
It's fine. Wilson.
Very good. One of the best hot dogs I've ever had. Yeah, not too salty. Delicious fries. Natural casing hot dog was delicious. The heart of mine.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to you.
Somebody's birthday back there.
I want to get thank you. It's a sugar.
Let's try this. Bacon wrapped hot dog. Definitely interesting. That beef hot dog very good.
What is he gonna do when she's like,
Bacon, it's definitely interesting. I'm not really a big bacon fan, but I want to give this a whirl. Something unique. Honestly, I don't taste the bacon on here that much. No, really. That was really good. Bacon
I
don't
was
taste that
thinking the
much.
same place. I was like, I bet you he's gonna be here, man.
Oh
I could eat here like.
Here's the last one.
No, it's still good.
Very good.
so who did you do on Monday?
So you go for a hot dog or corn dog? Good, let's
Check out the.
so you feel comfortable. I will.
So my review for the dog house is it's very delicious. The natural casing hot dog was delicious, absolutely delicious. One of the best hot dogs I've ever had. Can't beat the natural casing. Got a little snap on it. I like it. It's like almost tastes like a Polish boy. It was a cross between a sausage and a hot dog, and it was very good. The fries very delicious. They're very thick cut fries. Say they have a special seasoning on them. This tastes of salt, but there might be some other spices in there. I don't know. Maybe some paprika or something. I don't know. But they're seasoned well. It's a special blend that they have. They say so. Very good fries. Deep fried hot dog with bacon was definitely interesting to try. The hot dog's very good. The all beef hot dog they use is very good. I like all beef hot dogs. I like them better than regular ones. Bacon was alright on it, but I couldn't taste it that much. It was weird that it seemed like bacon was good. You can tell it was a big thick piece of bacon, but that was alright. But if you're a bacon fan, it's definitely something to try. They have chili dogs too, but I'm never really a big fan of chili dogs for some reason. I don't like chili, and so I tried that. Maybe I would just get a regular hot dog with sauerkraut, which they have. And they also have sausages too. They have Italian bratwurst and kielbasa, and maybe they also have other things. They have burgers, smash burgers, different names on them. The owners of this restaurant must really like the Browns because they have a lot of Browns themed stuff. They have Browns posters in there. And the burgers, a Jim Brown burger, one's a Paul Brown burger. So very football driven. Definitely, you can tell the quality they take in their food. And hospitality is very good in there. So very good meal. Very definitely good for a good hot dog. Come dog house here in Brunswick. Especially if you come people say farms. They have Friday night concerts during the summertime, and they do a lot of stuff during the fall. I should recommend a dog house here in Brunswick. Hopefully you have time at Ohio Week.